Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to be doing a product review on this GE profile refrigerator, model number PVD28. We're first off going to start on the finish here. It is fingerprint resistant, so you can rub your hands on it, whatever, and if there is like a little mark like that, all you need is a wet cloth and you just wipe it down. It comes straight off. Moving on to the water filter here, we have that autofill function. Basically, you put whatever it is that you want to put under there, it'll sense how big it is and it'll fill it up. You don't have to press the button or anything like that. Also, we got your settings here. So it is a smart fridge, so you can adjust the Wi-Fi. You can also turn off the door alarm as well. Also, another really cool feature is this light here. You can actually turn it on, so the light will come on, or you can turn it off, kind of like as an additional light in the kitchen. And then moving on, the back of this handle right here, we got a little button that you can press and it will open up the door and door function on this. So we have this gallon size bin right here on the door itself. Now this door here does swing. They call it the swivel bin, not sure why. But that's kind of easy access to anything that you need to get to from the outside of your refrigerator. Closing that, we can open this up, and as we open it up, we can see this really cool LED wall back here that spans almost the whole way across the refrigerator, and it just kind of makes everything bright, and you can really see anything and everything. Like if there's something hiding in the corner, you can really get a full view of what that is. We have your collapsible shelf right here, so if you want more space up top, or if you want to fit taller items, that's an option right there as well. We also have your climate zone right here with these drawers that are both removable. I'm not going to remove them because it's going to take me forever to put them back in, but they are removable, and they also have a soft close as well. Nice easy access to the water filter that just comes out like this. Twist that, it pops out, goes back in. Pretty simple. Same thing with your ice maker, really easy to open that. And actually, what I noticed from the regular profile stuff is actually a little bit more space in this one than the old ones too, which is super nice. Then, kind of what we'd be looking at is this temperature control drawer. This is removable, so if any spills or anything like that, you can take it out and wipe it down. You hold this button down for 3 seconds. Gives you a little countdown in case you can't count to 3, and then you kind of select whatever it is that you want to pop in there, whether it's meat, beverages, snacks, or wine. That's that. You got a lovely amount of freezer space down here as well. Not really much to shout about in there, other than like there's this little extra bit of storage right here as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out our website and look at more specs at ApplianceFactory.com. Thank you.